everyone, my name is Ana Sylvia Torres and I'm a librarian at LA County Library. Today I'll be talking about LearningExpress Test Prep, also known as LearningExpress. LearningExpress is an online database that we offer here at LA County Library. It's an educational resource that offers practice exams in things like college entrance, citizenship, and civil exams. It also offers eBooks and tutorials for school and career. It's a great resource for job seekers and students alike. All you need to access LearningExpress is an LA County Library card in good standing. Now grab your library card and join me for a brief tour of LearningExpress.
To get to LearningExpress, first you'll want to start on our website, lacountylibrary.org. From here, you want to select Digital Library from the menu, and under the Learn section, you can select LearningExpress and click on the link. From here, you can bookmark this link for easy access to LearningExpress. The landing page provides a glimpse of the different topics or centers as LearningExpress structures them. These centers provide educational and professional and personal learning resources, including one entirely in Spanish. The centers have courses that contain practice exams, tutorials, eBooks, and more. If you don't immediately find what you're looking for on the landing page, then you can search for it in the search box. We'll do a more detailed overview of the search box later on in this video. If at any point you need to get back to the main landing page, then you can select the home icon on the left-hand side of the main menu bar. To the right-hand side is the Help drop-down menu, which includes frequently asked questions, information about registration, system requirements, video guides, and accessibility and keyboard shortcuts. To the left, you can select Contact Us. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can click on the link provided and you will be put in contact with a customer support team member. Lastly, select Sign In/Register to sign in to your account or to create one. If you don't have an account with LearningExpress, it's very easy to sign up for one. And I recommend that you do sign up for one because when you create an account with LearningExpress, then you can save your scores for any practice exams that you take, your progress on any tutorials or ebooks that you use while you are using the database. Registration is very easy. All you need is an email address and a password, and you can select Register under New User, and then select Library Card, and then type in your LA County Library card, and then just continue to follow the different fields once you click Create Account. Once you've logged in, you'll see that the landing page looks a little different. First, you'll have the What's New menu option next to the Home icon, and you can click on this, and this is where you would find information on any updates or new information that LearningExpress has added to the platform. You'll also see your name, and you can select your name to find the drop-down menu, which includes your personal center, any user settings, there's a survey that you can take, and then the logout button. Let's select My Center. My Center is where you'll find your resources organized. So for example, you can select your test scores, you can jump back into any tutorials or micro lessons that you've taken, you can find any articles or courses, and ebooks. There's also the career dashboard, so if you've used any of the career tools, which we'll take a look at in just a moment, as well as if you're a student and you've looked at schools, you can save your searches as well. Now let's take a look at the tutorials, and then we'll look at one of the career tools. First, you're not going to immediately find some of the options that you're looking for in the centers on the landing page, so you can always use the search box. So for our example, let's type in resumes, and then our search results reveal a tutorial called Great Resumes, as well as a career tool called Build Your Resume. First, let's take a look at the tutorial Great Resumes. Under the name, there's the description, and it will tell you exactly what the tutorial will cover. And then you can select Start Tutorial. There's the course introduction, which you can bookmark if you're not ready to start it or if you'd like to look at it later on. And then to the left, you'll find the formats as well as the course summary. And then when you are ready to start, you can select Start Tutorial. When you start the tutorial, you'll have the introduction, and then to the left-hand side, you can skip the different lessons. So if you maybe just need a refresher, not the entire course, then you can select the lesson that is most relevant to you. Now let's take a look at the career tool, Build Your Resume, which I think is one of the best resources that LearningExpress offers. This is a step-by-step resume builder, which will help you create and publish an effective resume. So let's select Launch Career Tool. And then from here, it will once again tell you what the resume builder is and how it can help you. And then under that, you would select the option that best suits you. So if you want to create a new resume or you want to upload and edit an existing one, then you can select whichever option works best for you. Under that, you would find resume writing tips, so you can follow these if you want to make one from scratch or for a guide as you edit your resume. Let's select I want to create a new resume, and then you would enter your information into the specified fields, and then when you're ready, you would select Start Building My Resume, and LearningExpress will walk you through the steps of creating a dynamic resume. Another useful tool is the Job and Career Accelerator Center, which provides, in addition to resumes and cover letter tutorials and career tools, it can also help you find a career match. You can explore different occupations, search for jobs and internships, as well as eBooks and tutorials. When you select the center, you'll find the different tutorials and the different topics that it offers, such as the Career Match career tool, which is great for anyone looking to explore different career paths that are out there. LearningExpress is a great resource for anyone at any stage in their professional or educational life, and I encourage you to sign in and check out one of these centers for yourself.
And that wraps up our tour of LearningExpress. As you can see, LearningExpress offers a little something for everyone at every stage of their life. Click the link in the description box for information on upcoming programs. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.